So I'll be showing you how to reinstall apps on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So to reinstall an app, all you have to do is first of all uninstall the app and then go to the App Store and install it again. So let's say, for instance, you swipe up and you want to reinstall Strava. Okay, so you have the Strava app already installed. What you want to do is come here to Strava, long press on the app icon, and from the pop-up menu tap on uninstall. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to uninstall the app. Tap OK, and that app is going to get uninstalled. Okay, like that, it disappears. Now that you've done that, you can go to the Google Play Store and find that same app. So just search for it, just type Strava, and then hit the search function, and once you find the app, you can go ahead and install it again. And that is basically how to reinstall apps on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now you can do this in case an app is behaving weirdly or it's not behaving the way you expect it to behave. You can actually go ahead and remove it and then reinstall it again. Most of the time it should come with the latest updates and it may work properly. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.